Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can view private inventory in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, what you want to do is you want to open any browser, get to the Roblox website, and then sign into your account. After that, get to the search bar at the top and try to find a person. So, I'm just going to select any random account. After you access the target account, what you want to do is you can click on the three dots up at the top, select inventory, and you will be able to see their inventory. You can see that I can see their inventory like usual. Now, if they have a private inventory and you want to see it, then there's a little trick that you can potentially use to see some of the private stuff. What you can do is you can come back to the account's homepage, and you can go to the Favorites tab. Inside Favorites, everything they have favorited will be displayed, even if it is private. So that's basically how you can view private inventory in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.